I've recently been making a lot of patchwork snowballs, which are really a very easy stitch and flip block. And I discovered that when I've combined them with some simple sashing and used the same technique, what you get is this little unit, which is actually the shoo fly. It's a standard shoo fly block. And I wanted to share that with you today because it's all stitch and flip and it's all very easy to do. So you can see I'm continuously sewing all the way round. So I would get that one ready. So my machine continuously sews. I don't have lots of spare ends. My patchwork is nice and neat. I prefer this method to actually turning it. I find if I actually leap from here to here, it actually doesn't work quite so well.